Good morning, class. Today's topic is called The Earth in Space 2. Subject: Basic Science, JS1. Week 7. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to define the term eclipse, mention types of eclipse, illustrate eclipse of the sun and the moon with an annotated diagram. An eclipse occurs when the sun rays are completely or partially blocked by the moon or the earth. Types of eclipse. Two types of eclipse exist: eclipse of the sun, also known as solar eclipse, and eclipse of the moon, also known as lunar eclipse. Eclipse of the sun occurs when the moon blocks the rays of light of the sun from reaching the earth completely or partially. A solar eclipse only happens during a new moon. Types of eclipse of the sun. Different types of eclipse of the sun occur. The first one is called the total solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse occurs when the sun is covered completely by the moon. The second type of solar eclipse is called annular solar eclipse. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon covers the sun, but the sun can be seen around the edges of the moon. The third type of solar eclipse is called partial solar eclipse. A partial solar eclipse occurs when only a portion of the sun is blocked by the moon. Eclipse of the moon, also referred to as lunar eclipse. It occurs when the earth blocks the rays of light of the sun from reaching the moon, so that the shadow of the earth is cast on the moon. A lunar eclipse only happens during a full moon. Types of lunar eclipse. Different types of lunar eclipse exist. 1. Total lunar eclipse. It occurs when the Earth's shadow covers the entire moon. The second type of lunar eclipse is called the penumbra lunar eclipse. It occurs when the Earth's penumbra shadow covers the moon. Summary. An eclipse occurs when the rays of sunlight is partially or completely blocked by the moon or the earth. Two types of eclipse occurs, namely, the first one is called the solar eclipse, while the second one is called the annular eclipse, also referred to as eclipse of the moon. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon, the earth, and the sun align. The moon blocks the rays of the sun from reaching the surface of the earth completely or partially. While the lunar eclipse, the earth blocks the rays of the sun from reaching the moon either completely or partially, and a shadow of the earth is cast on the moon. Evaluation. Question 1. Define the time eclipse. Solution. An eclipse occurs when the rays of the sun are completely or partially blocked by the moon or the earth. Question number 2. What is a solar eclipse? It is a type of eclipse that occurs when the moon blocks light rays of the sun from reaching the earth partially or completely. Question number 3. Differentiate between a solar and a lunar eclipse. Solution. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon blocks sunlight rays from reaching the earth completely or partially, while a lunar eclipse occurs when the earth blocks sunlight rays from reaching the moon completely or partially. Question number 4, multiple choice question. A solar eclipse occurs when dash. The correct option is option B. The moon blocks sunlight from reaching the earth. Question number 5. What is the correct alignment during a solar eclipse? The correct option is option B. Sun, moon, and earth align. Question number 6. What is the darkest inner part of the shadow cone called, where a total eclipse can be viewed? The correct option is option B. It is called umbra. Question number 7. What is the larger outer lighter part of the shadow cone called, where a partial eclipse can be viewed? The correct option is option B. The penumbra. Question number 8. True or false? You must wear your eclipse goggles to view solar eclipse due to safety reasons. The correct option is true. Question number 9. The word solar eclipse comes from dash. The correct option is Latin word for sun. Question number 10. Which type of eclipse is indicated by the diagram? The correct option is option A, total solar eclipse. Question number 11. What type of eclipse is initiated when the earth completely blocked the rays of sunlight from reaching the moon? The correct option is option A, total lunar eclipse. What type of eclipse is indicated by the diagram above? The correct option is option A, lunar eclipse. Question number 13. What type of eclipse is indicated above? The correct option is solar eclipse. Thank you, and remain blessed and stay safe.